Bad model and broken textures? Stop using random 3D models. In this video, we will introduce specialized free 3D model resources. The first specialized 3D model resource is 3dsky.org. It is one of the largest 3D model libraries where you can download high-quality 3D models. More than 1.5 million 3D models are available on the website. You can also download free models every day. You can find decorative furniture and interior design assets for free. Professional, high-quality textures and detailed 3D models are available on 3dsky. Next is the free asset library called Cosmos Browser. It is included with the Corona and V-Ray toolbars. You can open it by clicking on Cosmos Browser from the V-Ray or Corona toolbar. In this 3D model category, furniture, decorative accessories, lighting, vegetation, vehicles, people, and many other assets are available. If you open the vegetation section, you can download many assets such as trees, plants, flowers, and more. These assets are very realistic and can be added to the scene with just one click. We can get highly realistic 3D models from this library. One of the biggest features of this library is that it offers free access. Another useful website is BIMobject.com. It provides BIM models and 3D assets for architecture and construction projects. The website includes furniture, lighting, doors, windows, sanitary products, and many building materials. These models can be used in software such as Revit, ArchiCAD, 3ds Max, and other BIM software. You can easily browse and download the assets for your projects. Another useful website is Sketchfab.com. It provides a large collection of 3D models in different categories, such as characters, vehicles, furniture, architecture, and many other assets. The website allows users to preview 3D models directly in the browser before downloading them. Sketchfab supports many 3D software and game engines, such as Blender, Maya, Unity, and Unreal Engine. You can easily browse and download free or paid 3D models for your projects. Next is the website Renderpeople.com. High-quality, photorealistic, scanned 3D people can be accessed from this website. If you open the website and click on the Free Models section, you can download free rigged and animated 3D people. These 3D models are available for download in FBX format and can be used in software such as 3ds Max, Cinema 4D, Maya, Unreal Engine, Unity, and other 3D software. You can easily download and use them in your projects. Another useful website is Maxtree.com. It provides high-quality and realistic 3D models for interior and exterior design projects. The website includes many categories, such as furniture, lighting, plants, and decorative accessories. The models can be used in 3ds Max, V-Ray, Corona, Maya, Unreal Engine, and other 3D software. You can easily browse and download the assets for your projects.